This video tutorial will show how to set up a Spark Fast Library Quant run using a template provided by QuantaBio. QuantaBio offers two template files that load information about the cycling conditions, analysis parameters, and positions of the Spark DNA standards into the Q software. These templates should be utilized by most customers. In the Q software, start by choosing New and then Run from Template. QuantaBio offers two template files, one for reactions of 10 microliter and one for reactions of 20 microliter volume. In this example video, we choose the template for 20 microliter. Click OK. The settings will load in the software and the menu will appear on the left side of the screen. Start by clicking on Run Profile and confirm the settings are correct. Activation should be set at 95 degrees for 2 minutes. Cycling should be set at 35 cycles, with the denaturation step at 95 degrees for 5 seconds and the annealing extension step at 65 degrees for 25 seconds. Acquisition should be set to the green channel, and acquisition should occur after the annealing and extension step. This setup also includes a melting step for optional melt analysis. The temperature control should be kept as the default FastTAC V3. The volume for this example should be confirmed as 20 microliter since we are using the 20 microliter template. Next, click Samples to open the sample editor. The sample editor is where you enter details about the samples that will be included in the run. Since this is a template file, several of the rows are pre-filled with information about the Spark DNA standards. Before adding details about the unknown library samples to be measured, we recommend confirming the entered information. The first three entries are for Spark DNA Standard 6. Type should be assigned as standard. The assay should be Spark Fast Quant Assay 20 microliters. Concentration should be given as picomolar. Spark DNA Standard 6 is the lowest concentration and should have the value of 0.0002 picomolar. The standards are a 10-fold dilution series, so Spark DNA Standard 5 is 0.002 picomolar, Standard 4 is 0.02 picomolar, and so on. Once all pre-entered information is confirmed correct, the unknown library names can be entered in the appropriate rows. The rows can be displayed alphanumerically as shown, or can be toggled to numeric by clicking the icons at the top of the screen. As with the standards in this setup, we recommend measuring the unknowns in triplicate. There are a couple of shortcuts to enter the triplicates. One is to simply cut and paste. Another is to select the first row and the next two empty rows and choose the Fill Down icon at the top of the page. The type should be assigned as unknown. If you include no template controls in the run, type that in and mark the type as NTC. After one last review of the sample editor, click Save and assign the run file a descriptive name. In this example, we call it Spark Fast Quant Run 1. Any Q instrument recognized by the computer and not currently in use will show at the top right of the screen. Load the sample tubes in the Q rotor, set the tube clamp in place, and shut the lid. Click on the instrument icon and choose Start Run. Then click on the Start button in the pop-up window. The run will complete in 40 minutes.